In a peaceful forest, there lived a fierce lion. Every day, he roared loudly and scared the animals. He made a rule: bring me one animal every day. The animals were terrified. One day, it was a little rabbit's turn. The rabbit was small, but very clever. He arrived at the lion's cave very late. The rabbit said, "I was bringing you 6 rabbits." Another lion said, "He's the real king of the forest." The rabbit said, "Follow me, I'll show you." He led the lion to a deep well. The lion looked into the well and saw his own reflection. "Grr! I see him," the lion roared. He jumped in to attack. Splash! The forest was finally safe. All the animals cheered the clever little rabbit. Moral of the story: wisdom and clever thinking are more powerful than strength. Thanks for watching.